Southend dallying about. They really ought to clear this ball. Time virtually expired on the clock now. 45 of your Earth minutes gone. Would he give it away? Henriksen. Outside him he's got Milligan. He's always willing to run. Milligan, can he get his cross in? Oh, that's a great challenge. But maybe he's going to keep this one in. He's got Foster in support. Will he use him? Milligan, neat tricks. Foster calling for the ball. And getting it. First time looping cross. It's Flynn! Oh, majestic header. His first goal for Harriers. He leapt at the four post there after a super cross from Foster. And his looping header went into the far corner for Avon and got absolutely no chance. Right on the stroke of half time. Perfect time to get a goal. Southend 0. Harriers, and Flynn's first goal wrong. So Harriers dominating possession. Great ball inside by Henriksen. Flynn going like a train. Oh, that's a wonderful ball into the path of Milligan. He's free, he's clear, he's through on goal. Is this the first goal for the young Harriers striker? It is! Fantastic shot, Milligan. What a wonderful ball played through to him. Where's he going? He's not celebrating with the fans. He's talking Ian Britton and Jimmy Conway. That's definitely not PC. He should be with the travelling fans. But what a fantastic ball through by Flynn. Knocked on, of course, from Henriksen, and he ran a good 20 yards and mashed it in the corner.